Today we are reviewing the new sleeping bag model from Terra Incognita called Polus 400. This model is designed primarily for military use. So here we will see some features that are not typical of the usual tourist sleeping bags. Therefore, the Polus is a warm sleeping bag in the shape of a cocoon. Its temperature range is as follows. Up to -13 degrees is comfort, and -20 is extreme. I remind you that the sleeping bag should be chosen based on the comfort temperature. The Polus has a central zipper on the front side. The zipper is large, specifically size number 10. The zipper slider is double-sided. A strap is sewn in under the zipper on one side and the other. Note how wide and stiff this strap is. It prevents the zipper from snagging and performs well in this task in practice. All of this is designed so that while in the sleeping bag, one can instantly, without any unnecessary obstacles, unzip and jump out of the sleeping bag with this motion. To prevent the zipper from opening on its own, when it's not needed, there is a Velcro strap at the top for additional securing. The zipper itself has two sliders, meaning it can be unzipped from both the top and the bottom for ventilation, for example. There is an insulated flap under the zipper that prevents heat loss through the zipper. Inside the sleeping bag, there is an insulated collar that fastens with Velcro and has a drawstring. Such a collar also prevents heat loss to the surrounding environment and helps in maintaining the temperature. The hood of the sleeping bag has an anatomical shape and also features a drawstring with a stopper. The sleeping bag also has an inside pocket. The lower part of the sleeping bag features what is known as a footbox, which is an expanded space for the legs. This, firstly, allows the foot to be in a natural position, and, secondly, it enables one to stay in the sleeping bag while wearing shoes, which is often a necessity for military personnel. On the outside of the footbox, there is a space where you can write personal information to prevent the sleeping bag from getting lost. There are also loops for hanging the sleeping bag, for example, to dry it. Now, about the materials. Inside the sleeping bag is the synthetic insulation HollowCore. There are two layers of 200 grams per square meter each, so the total density is 400 grams per square meter. The outer material is Rip Stop polyester, which is strong and dense. The material inside the sleeping bag is a mix of polyester and cotton. The fabric is soft and pleasant to the touch, while also absorbing less moisture and drying faster compared to regular nylon. There are two color options for the sleeping bag, khaki and olive. The weight of the sleeping bag is 2.3 kilos without the compression sack and 2.5 kilos with the compression sack. You can see the dimensions in both the unfolded and packed states in the diagram. The sleeping bag comes with a compression sack that has 4 sturdy compression straps. We will leave a link to the Polus 400 sleeping bag in the video description.